Hello everyone and welcome to the third episode of my trading challenge from $1 million to $10 million. So, very juicy video today. First we're going to talk about some really interesting data on Bitcoin, and then I'm going to show you a very interesting token I just added to my portfolio which has a very crazy potential, really seriously, so watch this video. And also I'll show you some of the trades and my preparation for a nice long trade on Bitcoin. Because possibly, we could see a correction now down to 48,000. If that would happen, that would create an incredible opportunity. So, and also technical, so let's just jump straight into this. First, let's talk about the news. Before we do, remember guys about the bonuses with Bybit, up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. Link down in the description of this video, and you can also pause the screen, take a look, and and also all deposit users get access to my crypto signals community and trading channel in general. It's also linked down in the description of this video. A lot of stuff is being posted there, and some of the trades I've taken, real quick ones, Scalp Trades, were actually from the community. So anyway, let's get straight to the content. Let's get the news out of the way just to make you guys feel good, because Bitcoin is stagnating a bit. But nonetheless, what I want you to see, which is quite crazy, currently the balance on exchanges in terms of Bitcoin, for example on Coinbase, is currently at the levels that we haven't seen since 2015-16. Imagine, in terms of the supply shock. It's insane. And then if we see here that yesterday the Bitcoin ETFs had the most volume since day one, right here, this bar right here. So it's picking up, really nice. And also Van Eyck's spot Bitcoin ETF trading volume, just to show you how fast things can go and change, it actually went up 14x in one day. Boom. That's nice. So just shows you how fast things can change. And also, one more thing from yesterday, February the 20th, the accumulation and the actual inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs was actually lower than previously. It was at 135 million. A lot of people are saying that, oh, it's going down. It's just one day, so we'll keep, I'll keep you posted. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so that we understand what is happening. But again, it was also holidays in US, so maybe it somehow had an effect on it. So I wouldn't really worry about it too much, but we'll see how that trajectory continues, because if it really does slow down, we could see a slightly bigger correction. It might be the bigger players could be actually, manipulating it in this way, who knows, to scare the market and shake people out. And before I move to the chart, one more thing that I want you to see and actually feel good about is the hash rate, because actually recently, just now, actually, we hit a record in terms of hash rate, but the price, as it says here, 3 years ago, Bitcoin is trading at the same price, but the network hash rate is 3 to 4 times more than before. It means that 3 to 4 times more miners are competing to keep the network secure, which is insane. So it just shows the general health and how undervalued Bitcoin still is. So this is pretty crazy. So now let's get to the chart and let me discuss some of the targets. Let me give you an update on our portfolio. So far we have $10,000 in profit. Not that very much, but slowly and gradually we are building it up. And actually in derivatives, I had a couple of trades, so I actually made yesterday $5,300, and actually here P&L or whatever, I can click on it. So it is from yesterday, I made $5,300. I just took a quick 2 Aptos trades, both of which were long trades actually if we go to derivatives. And I just will quickly show it to you. And this is something that we posted in the community as well, because unfortunately I cannot make, videos also about, our Scalp trades, and it's just impossible. And also, this very important, good thing that I actually pulled it up, because I also have an order to enter into a long trade also on Aptos. So yesterday I've taken a few Scalp trades, right here, plus whatever, $2,800, and also plus $2,500, just quick Scalp trades. And also I have a current order on Aptos, which is sitting at $8.85 with a stop loss at $8.40. So I don't know why, but in the chart it's just not showing the trades. It just shows one label. So I actually took a few Scalp trades here from some volume. So my order right now on Aptos for quick long trade is right here, $8.85 with a stop below $8.40. And just in general, it is just a very strong level. So that's something that I'm going to be trading off of. So Aptos trade. And now let's go back to the overview of our $1 to $10 million trading challenge. And guys, there is a share button down below here on YouTube. I would really appreciate it if you would share it with your family, friends, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever, because we're going to get to 10 million in under a year. Let's do it. Let's do it. We can do it as fast as possible. So now let's go back. Let's go to copy trading. Actually, in copy trading, we have some results already, small profits here and there. There are still some trades pending. And we actually, if we update this, because these are the two copy trading accounts I created that you can also copy. There's a link down in the description of this video. It's just the website is copykralowtrades.com. This is what it looks like. 4 steps as to how you could copy my trades automatically. So Kralow high risk. Actually, if we're going to take a look at it, we have plus, we made win rate is 74%, and we made $8,600 for our followers. And here are the results of our followers: plus 4%, plus 6%, plus 12%, plus 16%, plus 15%. This is all just people who click the button copy, and that's it. And you can do it too if you wanted to at copykralowtrades.com. Link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So we have some results from copy trading, and also we have in terms of spot. Now let's get to spot. What changed in spot? Let me show you. What I added is Starknet. So this is the token I really want you to pay attention to. So again, the rest of the portfolio is the same from the previous video. And Starknet, so I bought it like at 1.5% right now. And also I added some more orders to buy more Starknet right here. So basically at $1.26, $1.45, $1.52, $1.66, and $1.79. So if this comes to fruition with all these, orders being fulfilled, then actually we're gonna get an good average entry price and a very good project. And also it's going to be like 4 to 5% of our spot holding. And this, guys and girls, could do like Starknet could fly off like crazy, because Starknet is just really quickly, if you don't know what Starknet is, we actually farmed it for RetroDrops as well. And Starknet is in a way very similar to Arbitrum and Aptos and Sui. And if you might remember what happened to Sui, let's go to the daily chart. Actually, let's go to weekly. So they listed, then it crashed, and then it pumped from 40 cents, so it did like 5x. Which is pretty crazy. So, and the same thing, basically, that's what Starknet is possibly, if you're gonna go to smaller time frame. So that's what it's gonna possibly start looking like. And it's like, it's the same idea. They have their own blockchain, and they're like Ethereum killer, Solana killer, whatever. But they have a lot of investors, and they are a very good project. So therefore, I'm adding them, not financial advice, but I'm adding them to the portfolio. And one more update on spot. It's actually Beam. We had a take profit on Beam. Let me just show it to you. So I just added some more orders to sell Beam, because in the daily chart we actually bought Beam right here, and we just sold some of it right here. So we made like 60% profit on this position with no leverage. So this is pretty cool. So Beam was also part of this meme coin portfolio, just like Ladies, Bob, Vino. But those three are still not performing that well, so we're still waiting for them. But Beam is pushing and at least recouping some of the loss we made on the other one. So that being said, I sold some of the Beam, and more orders to be sold at 4 cents and 7 cents. Then it's going to be quite nice. Now, what I also wanted to mention is Bitcoin and the trades on Bitcoin. So that's why, the title says Bitcoin to 48,000. Hopefully, again, I'm very hopeful that we're going to see this correction, because what we are seeing right now is this formation here in basically 1 hour chart, very important support and very distinct resistance. So what I'm really hoping to see is for us to go to this very important support of 48,000, which I showed it to you in the previous video. If you want to check it out, and make sure to watch every single video from the beginning and until the end, so that you are actually aware of what is happening from the narrative sentiment, so that you don't lose track and then later complain like a Karen. So, and if we would actually break down from here, this would actually put our target at about 48K, and with a stop of about 47.5, I would enter into a nice long, and then we would actually finally come into the shorting area of 55 to 58K, which could be quite dangerous, but we need to make money fast. So possibly we would actually take a short from there. So that's what I'm looking at. Also possible that we'll just pump right into the shorting area, and then I'm going to start taking shorts. But I'm going to keep you updated if I change my mind about taking shorts. I'll let you know, because we're always following market makers, liquidity, the different neural links and different AI. We have a very deep strategy of what we are using. So therefore, anything could change at an instant. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get to 10 million together. But guys, If you're seeing the trades I'm taking and you want to take them yourself, then check out this quick tutorial that is popping up on a screen where you will learn proper risk and money management. But if you just want to copy my trades here through copykralowtrades.com, you're more than welcome to do so. Then you don't even need to learn anything. Just keep all the settings as they are, follow the instruction, and enjoy doing nothing and making money. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Kralow. Stay smart, stay very rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.